नाहं वन्दे तव चरणयोर्द्वन्द्वमद्वन्द्वहेतो कुम्भीपाकं गुरुमपि हरे नारकं नापनेतुं रम्या रामा मृदुतनुलता नन्दनेनापि रन्तुं भावे भावे हृदय भवने भावयेयं भवन्तं गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Okay, today Nagmata sing, so maybe no song. We'll go directly to the subject. Okay, first let me go to the dhatu or convocation. What we'll learn today about dhatus comparison of Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi, or we'll go to the convocation concept of Taittiriya Upanishad. What do you want to learn?
Either way, whichever you want to do, Acharya.
When option given to you, you should accept it.
Okay.
I think dhatus, I prefer dhatus.
Yeah, very good, Dattaji. We'll go to the dhatu. Oh, so first I should share the screen, right? Okay. So this is today's class concept. Okay. How many remember dhatu? Yeah, very good. Tell me any dhatu. What is a particular concept of dhatu? There are 10 lakaras, right? What is a lakara?
I mean, lut.
What is lakara? Different lakaras as lut, lut, lung, etc. But what is a lakara?
Tense.
Excellent, Swami. Lakara is a tense. Okay. So what is lut?
Present tense.
What is future tense?
No, lut.
La plus ru, lut.
Root.
Very good. What is past tense? Lung. Very good, Vasudamata. Past tense is lung. Generally, present tense, future tense, past tense is mostly oftenly used. Remaining lakara. Lot is imperative. Ling is vidhi, command. We use in different ways. In total, according to Paninian grammar, there are 10 lakaras, 10 time zones. Okay, in which we'll have different time zones of present, future, past, plus we'll have two types of tenses, two types of dhatus. One is Atmanepadi, next is Parasmaipadi. What is Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi? Active and passive voices. Active voice and passive voice. It comes like this. Yeah. Okay. Active voice and passive voice. That is Parasmaipadam. Okay, you are not seeing it, right? So that's my mistake. Yeah, I'll share the screen again. Yeah, Swami. Now you can see. There is Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi. Parasmaipadi is considered as Kartari Prayoga, like direct speech. Talking from the Karta. Who is Karta?
Object.
Very good. Doer. A person who does. Aham gacchami. I am going. That is from my side. That is Kartari Prayoga.
Subject, yeah.
Karma. What is karma? What I am going to do is karma. If you look at from the karma's position, perception from the karma is called as karmanik prayoga. Kartari. I am going, I am eating, I am laughing is karta prayoga. Kartra prayoga. Prayoga used from the karta. What is karmani? Using sentences from karma. Like apple is being eaten by Rama. Ravana is being killed by Rama. Being killed. That is result to the karta is called karma prayoga. Active voice is from our from Kartra Prayoga. Passive voice, reverse. Okay, you know lat lakara. Lat lakara, it turns like bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavatha, bhavami, bhavavah, bhavamah. You know it, na?
Yeah, Tita Anti.
Tiya, titah anti, sitah tha, ami, avah, amah. Once again, titah anti, sitah tha, ami, avah, amah. You remember this, na? Titah anti?
Yeah.
This is the lat prayoga. Titah anti, sitah tha, ami, avah, amah. We will add bhu, it becomes bhavati. It becomes bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavatha, bhavami, bhavavah, bhavamah. This is active voice. Kartra prayoga. What is karmani prayoga? Atmanepadi. Instead of titah anti, it becomes te, ete, ante. Repeat after me. Te, ete,
Ante.
ante. Because actually we can't spell half na, it is ante. We will add ante. Say ethe dve. Say ethe dve. It is a dva. Okay. A avahe amahe. A avahe amahe. What is this? These are suffixes as titah anti. These are suffixes as titah anti. When you want to use a sentence with active voice, kartra prayoga, from the doer side, all titah anti concepts will come. When you want to tell in a poetic way, if you are talking from karma side, then it becomes te, ete, ante. Okay. If for example, you can tell me what is labha. Labha is getting, right? Labha.
Labhate.
It becomes labhate.
Labhete.
Very good. Labhete.
Labante.
Labhante. Very good. Continue.
Labase. Labete. Labadve. Labe. Labavahe. Labamahe.
What is labhate? Punyam labhate.
You will
He is
get
getting
punya.
punyam.
Yeah.
Punyam is being going to him. Labhete. Punyam is going to the both. Labhante.
To all of
Punyam
them.
is being going to those all people. Labhase. You are being like punyam is being coming to you, or you are going to get the punyam. Labhete. Both labhate bahuvachanam. Labhe. Punyam labhe. I may get the punyam. Like it comes in a passive voice. Labhe, labhavahe, labhamahe. Okay. So direct speech and indirect speech. Direct is titah anti. Indirect is labhate, labhete, labhante. Okay.
Acharya
Repeat after me. Labhate, labhete, labhante. Labhate, labhete, labhante. Labhase, labhethe, labhadve.
Labhe. Labavahe.
Labhavahe,
Labamahe.
labhamahe. I'll show you a direct print, which will be easy to you. Now, yeah, now it is easy. If it is kartari prayoga, is a direct speech, or kartra, like doer side, it is bhavati, bhavatah, bhavanti. Bhavasi, bhavatah, bhavatha. Bhavami, bhavavah, bhavamah. You change the dhatu. Bhava instead of patha, gacha, chala. The concept is same. Here, look at here. It becomes bhuyate. Bhava becomes bhuya in karmani prayoga. Bhuyate, bhuyete,
Bhuyante.
bhuyante.
Bhuyase.
Bhuyase, bhuyethe, bhuyadve.
Bhuye.
Bhuye, bhuyavahe, bhuyamahe. Okay. So this is karma prayoga. Just change the suffix, it becomes parasmaipadi. If you change the dhatu, it becomes the same karma, karma prayoga, kartari prayoga or karmani prayoga, but the meaning will change.
But here not only the pratyaya, the root word also changes from bhavati to bhuyate.
Sometimes if it is karta atmanepadi, it is parasmaipadi set of dhatu, the root may change. If it is atmanepadi, dhatu will be only atmanepadi. There is ubhayapadi. There are few dhatus which are in atmanepadi and parasmaipadi also. Those are used in same root, suffix will change. Atmanepadi, parasmaipadi, ubhayapadi. Both are there. We'll do another exercise. We know this lut lakara, bhavishyati, right? Bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, bhavishyanti, bhavishyati, bhavishyathaha, bhavishyatha, bhavishyami, bhavishyavaha, bhavishyamaha. Okay? What is karmani prayoga here? Te ete ante with ishya. Ti taha anti with ishya is bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, na?
Yeah.
Te ete ante, ishyate, ishyate, ishyante, add the dhatu. For example, karmani prayoga, lit lakara. Bhavishyate, bhavishyete,
Bhavishyante,
bhavishyante,
bhavishyase,
bhavishyethe, bhavishyadve, bhavishye, bhavishyavahe, bhavishyamaha. We'll see some exercise. Okay, this is different. Okay. We'll see some other lakara. Lang, we know lang, na? Abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan. Do you remember?
yeah,
This is abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan. Abhavaha, abhavatam, abhavata. Abhavam, abhavava, abhavama. For this, there is a suffix change in karmani prayoga. That is abhuyata, bhuyata, bhuyetam, abhuyetam, abhuyanta. Te ete ante. What is changing? You observe. Abhuyathaha, abhuyetham, abhuyadhvam, abhuye, abhuyavahe, abhuyamahe. Where we use this karmani prayoga generally in scholastic concept. Like scholars will speak to each other in karmani prayoga to just tell their metal. Metal is like knowledge. Themselves that we are knowledge, they use karmani prayoga more. In common Sanskrit literature, commonly we use kartari prayoga only. Kartari prayoga is this one. Tita, andi, etc. Always use kartari prayoga concept. Particularly lat lakara, lit lakara, lang lakara, ling lakara, and lot. Lot lakara. So we use all these for easily accessing to language. These are all scholastic concepts. High level of dhatu knowledge. Okay, kartari prayoga and karmani prayoga. We have ubhayapadi also, like karta and karma, both dhatus are same. I will tell you. See, for example, we have graha. What is graha? To receive. Okay. What is the dhatu of atmanepadi? Graha will be?
gruhnati.
Yeah.
Grahami.
This comes like this. Lakara, lat lakara, vartamane lat in atmanepadi. Grihnati, grihnitaha, grihnanti. Grihnasi, grihnithaha, grihnitha. Grihnami, grihnivaha, grihnimaha. This is parasmaipadi lakara. Parasmaipadi.
Acharya Gar, when you're saying Atmanepada, is it like first person?
See, this is Pradhama Purusha is first person, second, third. In English, we change it now. Uttama Purusha is first person.
Mhm.
Persons are different. Persons are this.
Okay.
Vachanas are this and persons are this. For Dhatu, we did not discuss about persons because it is fixed actually. Gruhnati, he is taking, third person. Gruhnasi, you are. Gruhnami, I am. Okay? This is Parasmaipadi Dhatu because he is taking.
So Parasmai means somebody else. Aha means you.
Parasmaya is from somebody. Very good. Atmanepadi, Atma is me.
You. Okay.
Yeah. So Atmanepadi, how it will be? Jna.
Grha. That
See
it
here.
will be Grahmami.
Janati, Janitah, Jananti. This is again Jna. Where is Atmanepadi? We'll check.
Grahmami.
It becomes Jnayate. I'll show you something. Okay. Like is Seva. See, what is Seva? Lat Lakara, Vartamana Kala, Pradhama Purusha, he is, what is this? Te, Ete, Ante. Sevate,
Sevete, sevante, sevase, sevete, sevadve, seve, sevavahe, sevamahe.
okay. Sevate, he is being served. Sevase, you are being served. Seve, I am being served. In Parasmaipadi, you know how we use sentences? I'll tell you something, which is very important. Stop sharing, share screen, blank page. There is no blank page. Okay. Yeah, Mata. See here. Okay. Ramaha. Is this which vibhakti and vachana this one?
Prathama vibhakti.
Very good. Pradhama vibhakti,
Ekavachana.
ekavachanam. Ramaha. Here, Parasmaipadi will come. For example, Ramaha khadati. We practiced it. Or Krishnaha likhati. So Pradhama Vibhakti will be used for all Parasmaipadi. Now we'll go to Atmanepadi. Atmanepadi is from the other side. Sorry, Atmanepadi is from my side. Parasmaipadi from the other side. Now what is Atmanepadi? Atmanepadi comes from the Tritiya Vibhakti. Remember that. Tritiya Vibhakti. What is Tritiya Vibhakti?
Ramena.
Very good. Ramena. Now you tell me. Ramena Sevate. Okay. Okay. Krishnena Pathyate. No, Pathyate, Pathyante.
Yeah. Is Atmanepadi always karmani prayoga and Parasmaipadi is always kartari prayoga?
That's it, na? Parasmaipadi itself is Atmanepadi Prayoga.
Okay.
Sorry. Atmanepadi is, ask the question once again, Swami.
Yeah. Is this thing, Parasmaipadi always
Karma
kartari
Prayoga.
Yeah.
Parasmaipadi is always Kartri Prayoga. What is Karta? Doer
doer.
side.
Yeah.
Karta is a doer.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Aham Gachami.
Mm.
Where person is important, not the result.
Yeah. Okay.
Karma Prayoga, result is always taken as importance.
Yeah.
See, Krishnena Pathyate. What is important here? Krishna is important or Patha important? Importance given to Patha.
Yeah,
So Krishnena Pathyate. If not Krishna, he'll be Rama or somebody else.
yeah.
So centric point is result.
Yeah, okay.
If it is a personal point like person, then Krishna like Khadati, Ramaha Khadati. Rama is important here.
Yeah, okay.
So importance, if it is given to the result, becomes Atmanepadi. If it is a person, it becomes Parasmaipadi. Atmanepadi and Parasmaipadi. Parasmaipadi basically from the doer's perception. Atmanepadi from the always to the result orientation, reason perception.
So Ramena Sevate means
Ah,
Served
Seva
by
is
Rama.
being done by Rama. By Rama. Seva is being done by Rama. Okay, Krishnena Pathyate. Okay, Harina. Harina Khadyate. Being eaten by Hari. So, whenever you see the Tritiya Vibhakti, before a dhatu, obviously it will be in Atmanepadi. Whenever you see a dhatu with, it
Pratama
will be
Vibhakti.
Parasmaipadi.
Is it Ramena Khadeti?
Khadati, Ramaha Khadati.
Okay, that's
Ramena,
okay.
if it is Ramena,
Khadate,
Khadyate.
Khadhyate.
So it is a bit confusing. So I did not told you previously. Okay. So generally, Parasmaipadi and Atmanepadi. Parasmaipadi is always from the doer side. Atmanepadi always from the result side, other side.
But when Ramena Sevate,
Ah,
it should be Ramena Khadate.
the dhatu is changed. Na? Seva dhatu comes with sevate, sevete, sevante. Khada dhatu comes with khadate, khadati, khadata, khadanti. It is Ubhayapadi. I'll tell you. Khadati is a present tense in Lakara. In Atmanepadi, it becomes Khadyate.
Okay.
Okay, this is Parasmaipadi. And this is Atmanepadi. Okay, the dhatu's structure will change. Now it becomes Khadyate, Khadyete, Khadyante, Khadyase, Khadyethe, Khadyadve, Khadye, Khadyavahe, Khadyamahe. Okay, another word is Vartate. The dhatu comes like this. Add varta here.
Vartatve.
Instead of laba, it is varta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vartan-
Vartate, vartete, vartante, vartase, vartedhe, vartadve, varte, vartavahe, vartamahe. Instead of varta, what you can change? Khadya. Khadyate, khadyete, khadyante, khadyase, khadyedhe, khadyadve, khadye, khadyavahe, khadyamahe. Instead of khadya, see, we can use any other dhatu. So instead of seva, vidyate, vidya is staying.
Gacchate,
Gamyate.
Gamyate. Okay.
See here we have another dhatu called vidya. Now it is vidyate,
Vidyate.
vidyate, vidyante, vidyase, vidyedhe, vidyadve, vidye, vidyavahe,
Vidyam.
vidyamahe. Another dhatu. It is called as shubha. Shubha is good, good looking. Now it becomes
Shubhyate.
shobhate.
Shobha.
Shobhate, shobhete, shobhante, shobhase, shobhedhe, Shobhadve, Shobhe, Shobhavahe, Shobhamahe. It comes like this. So different dhadus comes in. Mana dhatu becomes manyate, manyete, manyante, manyase, manyethe, manyadve, manye, manyavahe, manyamahe. So dhatu comes like this. I'll give you a small comparison of dhadus, different dhadus. Okay. Now comparison. So in this comparison, see, kartari letter, karmani letter. Simple. In kartari, bhavati becomes bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. You can see the dhatu rupa in vertical way. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavatha, bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. What happens in karmani, atmanepadi? Bhuyade, bhuyate, bhuyase, bhuyedhe, bhuyadve, bhuye, bhuyavahe, bhuyamahe. Okay. Now we'll do lrit. Kartaril lrit, karmanil lrit. We remove this. Now, sorry, we lrit na. Now see, bhavishyati, bhavishyataha, bhavishyanti, bhavishyasi, bhavishyataha, bhavishyatha, bhavishyami, bhavishyavaha, bhavishyamaha. It becomes te ete ante itisya, bhavishyate ete ante se ete dve e avahe amahe. It comes like this. We can change any dhatu, is same concept. Change the dhatu, instead of bhavishyati it is likhishyati, or it becomes patishyati. Then it becomes patishyate. Bhavishyati or patishyati, bhavishyate or patishyate. Vartati, vartate, vartete, vartante, lat. Vartishyate is a lit. Like that. Little confusing, but still easy.
Yeah, but Acharya, I think the only way to, I guess, get the essence of it is to use it in a sentence. That's when it clicks better. When we see the tables, we seem to follow, but I think it is good to know these things.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Ramaha annam khadati. Okay. I'm typing without sharing. That's my problem. Yeah. Share screen. Okay. Ramaha annam khadati. What is the meaning of it?
Rama ate food.
Ate or eating?
Eating.
Eating.
What is khadati?
Yeah, eating, yeah.
Okay. Ramaha annam khadati. Which statement this is?
This is
Parasmaipadi or Atmanepadi?
this is
Parasmai.
Why Parasmaipadi?
Because it's a third person. Rama.
Khadati,
Rama is talking.
Yeah.
We are just talking from the Rama side.
Right.
Ramaha annam khadati. Okay, again. Krishnaha patham pathati.
It's the same thing.
Same. It is Parasmaipadi. As we are talking about, the main centric point is Krishna. Krishna patham patati. Krishna can do anything. He is doing patham patati. Another question. Lakshmi. Gruham gacchati. Gruham gacchati. This is also from side of Lakshmi Gruham gacchati. Lakshmi. Okay. All these are in which sentence, which statement? Parasmaipadi. Now we'll see Atmanepadi concept. Okay. Easy. Ramena phalam khadyate. Krishnena. Krishnena.
Patham,
Patham. Very good. What?
Pathyate.
Huh? Okay,
Patate.
pathyate or pathyate, both are. Pathyate is being read. Pathyate is being taught.
Parchate.
Pathyate is being read.
Yeah.
Pathyate is being taught.
Yeah.
Why
Now-
is the difference, Acharya ji? Because
Pathati patataha pathanti
Uh-huh.
is pathyate pathyate pathyante.
Okay.
Pathayati is teaching,
Okay,
na?
okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Gotcha.
Krishnena. I wrote a mistake.
Patham.
Krishnena. Patham
Parchate.
pathyate.
Now, in this patham should become the first vibhakti, pataha, isn't it? Patyate.
What is patham? Phalam khadyate. He is eating fruit, na?
Now, phalam, yes, phalam because it's
Okay.
a neuter gender word.
Okay, pathaha pathyate.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that's why I
Pathaha.
was about to point out that phalam,
Yeah, okay,
it is
next.
confusing because
Okay,
it's a neuter
Lakshmi.
gender word.
Lakshmi. Graham gachati. Lakshmiya. Where she is going?
Graham gachyat.
Gruham.
Going to house, na?
Yeah, gruham gachati.
Gachati, no?
Yeah.
Not
Gachati.
Gamyate.
Gamyate.
Gruham.
Graham. Kalashala gamyate. Okay.
Yeah.
In that way. So there are few set of dhatus which are parasmaipadi. There are few set of dhatus for atmanepadi. There are few dhatus which are both. We can use it in asti, aste. Asti is there. Aste is also there. Like asti. There are few dhatus which are both atmanepadi and paras. We can use it in both in adding the suffix. So we should remember this thing very clearly that titaha anti, sithatha, ami avaha amaha is parasmaipadi lat. Te ete ante is atmanepadi lat. So parasmaipadi and atmanepadi suffixes, change of suffixes. So we use in that way. Generally in every poetry books, etc., parasmaipadi is used. Direct speech is used. Kartru prayoga is used. Even we are taught to learn Kartru prayoga. We were taught to write only in Kartru prayoga because it is easily accessible to others to understand. So Atmanepadi, we should read it for understanding the Sanskrit literature. If there are any, Ramaha tatra vartate, Vidya tatra vartate. Somewhere some dhatus are used in like this also. Vidya, tvam kutra vartate. Where are you there? Vartate is Atmanepadi, but sometimes it is used in Kartruvachana. But sometimes. So this is Atmanepadi concept today we introduced. In the next class, we'll do more homework, like more practice, such that we'll be more habituated to that.
In this sloka, which Chandrasekhara Mashraye, Mama Kim Karishyati Vayamaha.
Okay.
Mama Kim Karishyati is.
Yeah. What is the shloka first one? You send it.
Yeah, Chandrasekhara Mashraye.
No, the first line.
First line. Deva Sindhu Taranga Sikara.
Deva Sindhu Taranga Shikara.
Tikta Subra Jathadaram.
Tikta Subra
Jathadaram.
Jatadaram.
Chandrasekhara Mashraye.
Chandrasekhara Mashraye Tava.
Mama Kim Karishyati.
Mama Kim Karishyati
Vayamaha. So this is indirect speech,
No. You divide the word first.
of course.
Deva,
Yeah.
Sindhu, Taranga, Shikara,
Shikara.
Tikta, Shubhra, Jatadaram. What is Sindhu?
River.
Sindhu is
For Indus.
river.
Okay. River na, it is ocean. Sindhu is ocean. But
Sindhu is
Deva
ocean.
Sindhu is called as Ganga.
Devasindhu. No, Devasindhu is Ganga.
Okay. Ganga. What? Ganga is being done. Deva Sindhu Taranga, wave.
Wave,
What is
yeah.
Shikara? Sprinkles.
Mhm.
Okay. Tikta, drowned or wet. Shubhra, pure. Jatadharam. We are just talking about the Jatadhara. What is a Jata?
Matted hair.
Hair. Hair on the head is called Jata. Jatadhara. Jatadhara. Who is
Yes.
wearing a Jata? What type of Jata they are? They are purified by drowning in it,
Sprinkles.
dipping in it. With what?
Water.
With the sprinkles of
Granules.
waves belongs to Deva Sindhu. Deva Sindhu is
Ganga.
Ganga.
Mm.
The Jatadharam, the Jata, which is purified by drowning in the sprinkles of waves, belongs to Ganga. Jata, which is purified by Ganga river water sprinkles, tam, to such a type of Chandrasekharam, who is having Chandra on the head, Ashraye, I'm just submitting myself to him, I'm just reaching him, I'm just going to him. If I do so, what happens? Mama means
Mine.
me, mine or to me.
Me.
Kim karishyati. What is Kim karishyati? What is Kim?
What?
Kim what? Question. Okay, Kim. Karishyati.
Touches.
Will do.
What he will do? Who? Yamaha.
Yama will not be able to-
Why? What is why? Even if I am submitting myself to Shiva, even Yama, what he'll do? Whoever or small people will do something. Not these people, even Yama can't do anything. Mama kim karishyati vai Yamaha. This is about appreciation of just Jata. That Chandrasekharam, if I ashraya, if I Yamaha, why kim karishyati mama? No one will do anything. Even Yama can't touch me. He can't do anything. He can't take life at all. He can't take my life also. He can't do anything. Even Yama, what he'll do? Deva Sindhu Taranga Shikara Tikta Shubhra Jatadharam Chandrasekharam Ashraye Mama Kim Karishyati Vayamaha.
So the second sentence, is it in the Atmaipadi?
Karishyati, what is Karishyati? What is Karishyati? It is Karishyati or Karishyate?
Yes.
It's a Karishyati.
What if it is Karishyati?
Rasmaipadi.
Kartu or karma? Karishyati is kartru, ti is kartru, te is karma. Now tell me, what is Karishyati? Doer or result oriented?
Doer.
Doer. So it is
Doer.
Parasmaipadi.
Rasmaipadi.
Hmm.
Okay. If it is Karishyate, it is
Atmanipadi.
Atmani.
That's what I said, na Karishya. Ti taha anti. Te ete ante. Remember that. Okay. Shall we go to the next concept of convocation?
Yes.
We'll discuss more about this sentences in next class. Deva Sindhu Taranga Shikara Shubhra Jata. Where is the Google map? Chandrasekharam Ashraye Mama Kim Karishyati Vayamaha. I think you might have seen this somewhere. Did you see this anywhere, Swami? In Taittiriya Upanishad, we have 11th chapter in which it is clearly told, Vedam Anuchya, means after completion of Veda, Acharya. What is Acharya?
Teacher.
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 What is Antevasi? Antevasi, previously whenever you see teacher, students will always just follow the teacher. Na? The first one is teacher and follower is student. Antevasi is ending, person who is standing in the end corner is student. Antevasinam.
Follow.
Antevasinam. Anushasti. Anushasti commands. After completion of Vedas, all everything teaching, Acharya, teacher, Antevasinam, to the student, Anushasti, he is commanding. Are you able to see my cursor?
Yes.
Yeah. What he told first one, you tell me.
Satyam Vada.
What is my Satyam Vada?
Speak truth.
That's it. It's a command. It is Anushasti, na? It is a command. If there is a command, you should not question. In any command, we don't question. Vedam is Prabhu Samhita. Write down if needed. Vedam is called as Prabhu Samhita. As if a Prabhu rules the kingdom with a command, Vedam commands. Isn't it? Why? How? Is it possible? No. You should do that. There are 4 ways. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. It's called as Chaturvida Purushartha. Person should attain 4 things. That is Dharma, ethics, Artha, economy, or things like Kama is pleasures, Moksha is ultimate salvation. Person should try for 4. We should not ask that, is it possible for everybody? Can I do that? How can I do that? I'm not in a position. No question. That other person will not listen at all. That's a command. Vedam is called as Prabhu Samhita. Okay. There are another thing called as Mitra Samhita. Mitra is a friend. Who is a friend? He teaches us like a friend. That's called Puranas. Puranas are called as Mitra Samhita. Okay. They come to us like a friend. They tell us something. You can see questioning in Purana. Like Vyasa is telling, Shuka Maharshi questions him. If some sage is telling, Maitrayana will ask, Swami, if it is so, why this happens? You can see all these discussions in Puranas, not in Veda. Veda is Prabhu Samhita, Puranas are Mitra Samhita. Okay, so it is a Prabhu Samhita, Anushasti, he is commanding. The first one is Satyam Vada, speak the truth. It's a command, so we should speak the truth. We should never lie. If it is a normal da, it becomes Vada, tell. If there is a stressful da, what it becomes?
Kill, Vada.
So if you change a letter, the meaning changes. Satyam Vada means Vada is a kill. It's not like that. So see clearly and spell clearly. Satyam Vada. Yes, speak the truth. Next one is?
Dharmam Chara.
It is actually Dharmam Chara. It in association becomes Anunasika Sandhi. It is Dharman Chara. Chara means? Behave.
Lead.
Yeah, behave.
Behave ethically. Dharman Chara. Behave ethically. Next one. Next one, Swami. Can anyone read?
Swadhyayam.
Adhyayatma.
Very good. Swadhyayanma pramadaha. Once again. Swadhyayanma pramadaha. What is Swadhyayam? Adhyayam.
self-education.
Swa adhyayam.
Self-learning.
Self-learning.
Swa adhyayat ma pramadaha. Pramadaha. What is pramada? What is pramadam?
Danger.
When it happens, when pramadam happens,
Failure in duty.
when we are not alert.
Okay.
Okay, swadhyayat ma pramadaha. Don't be negligent towards swa adhyaya. Whatever you wanted to read, whatever you are supposed to read, from those things, never be lazy. Swadhyaya is something which you do for yourself daily, like daily rituals, daily things, like doing parayanas, pujas, etc. Those are called as swadhyaya. Doing for yourself. You are learning shastras for to teaching others, not for self. But we'll do something for ourselves which is not related commercially, or we don't do it for earning money or something, is called as swadhyaya. I'll do something for myself is called as swadhyaya. I should not show negligence towards my things. If someone is paying me money, I will be little alert towards them. If someone is not done, I'll neglect it. Now, okay, I'll do it later. Baad mein karenge. Okay, I'll do it tomorrow. If not today, I'll do it tomorrow. No, you should do it today itself. Swadhyayat, from your things which you are doing for yourself, ma pramadaha, never neglect. Next, repeat everyone. Acharyaya
Acharyaya.
priyam dhanam ahritya
Yam dhanam ahritya.
prajatantum
Prajatantam.
ma
Ma.
vyavachethihi.
Vyavashyatihi.
So, acharyaya. Which vibhakti, Swami?
For the acharya.
Acharyaya. Which vibhakti? First tell me vibhakti, then meaning. Acharyaya. How it is like?
Third vibhakti.
It is like
Amaya.
Ramaya. Fantastic. Like Chaturthi vibhakti. From teacher, priyam dhanam ahritya. Ahritya is after accessing, getting. You got
So
something
is
from the teacher.
acharya a feminine gender word?
No. It's masculine. Ramaya. Acharya Shabdam. Okay. Acharya Shabda. Okay. From
So,
Acharya,
how is it becoming like Ramaya?
it is not Ramaya. It is Acharyaya. It's Acharyaya. Ramaya.
Okay, yeah,
Aya. Ramaya.
okay.
That is for Sasti Vibhakti that happens for that.
Okay. Acharyaya, from teacher, priyam dhanam, your lovable dhanam, education, ahritya, you took it. What you should do it? Prajatantum ma vyavachethihi. After getting education, you should not go to sannyas ashrama. What you should do? You should get married. You should give progeny. After progeny, your education should be passed to them. You should become a teacher. You should maintain some disciples and transfer the education to them. Don't, after getting education, you don't be alone doing penance, do the tapas. No, you should continue the knowledge to others. After someone, previously, after going to a teacher, after getting educated, people used to go to sannyas ashrama. Teacher is giving you a command that you should not take sannyas ashrama directly without permission of a teacher. First, you should get married, become a grihastha. Later on, when teacher commands you to take a sannyas ashrama, then you do. Without permission of teacher, you are not eligible to take sannyas ashrama. That's what he is telling. Acharyaya priyam dhanam ahritya prajatantum ma vyavachetsi. Don't deny the grihastha ashrama. Next, repeat after me. Satyat
Yat.
na pramaditavyam.
No,
Pramadita.
What is Satyam? Satyat. What is Satyat? Satyat is looking like
Ramat.
which vibhakti?
fifth
Very
vibhakti,
good.
Panchami vibhakti.
Okay. From Satyam. Okay. From Satyam, you should never neglect. Like when you are doing satya, should not never neglect it. You should be always follow it. Satyat na pramaditavyam. You should never neglect satya. Next, dharmat na pramaditavyam.
Now, dharmat, ta and na, it becomes na.
That is
So,
that
which
is sandhi.
sandhi is this?
Anunasika sandhi. Dharmat na pramaditavyam. Next, what is dharmat na pramaditavyam? You should never neglect the works from dharma. Whatever the dharma concepts you are following, should never neglect it. You should do it. Next, kushalat na pramaditavyam. What is kushalam?
Safety.
Kushalam. Asking kushalam to others. Okay? Or which are safety concepts, you should not leave it. You should be always following the concepts of safety. Okay? Next, bhutyai na pramaditavyam. What is bhuti? Do you ever heard a word called bhuti?
Nubhuti, feeling.
What is that?
The word vibhuti.
Vibhuti.
Anubhuti, vibhuti.
Hmm.
What is bhuti?
Feeling or
Properties.
no?
Hmm.
Okay? Bhuti is a property. Vibhuti is considered as a prime property, major property, because it is the ending, it is valuable, it is priceless. Okay? So that's why Vibhuti is a property. Vibhutir, Bhutim, Aishwaryam, it is called as Aishwaryam. Okay? So all these Bhuti, whatever the properties are like Pashu, Sampada, Putra, Sampada, Mitra, Sampada, Jnana, Sampada, Go, Sampada, Bhu, Sampada. So there are many things which are useful properties. Not only currency, there are many things. So don't lose them with your negligence. Bhutyai na pramaditavyam. Next, Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam. What is bhyam here? Why he is telling bhyam?
Vidya vibhakti.
Why? No, it is not vidya vibhakti. It is, you know that. What is? It is dvivachanam.
Plural.
Yeah.
Plural, not plural.
Yeah, dvivachana.
Okay.
Okay, what are two things here? Swadhyaya pravachana. Two things here to tell that bhyam. What is swadhyaya? Learning for self. Pravachana,
Teaching.
telling to
Teaching.
others.
Teaching.
Don't neglect from the things you do, you learn, and telling others. If you learn something new, you should not hide it in self. What you should do, you should tell it to others. Like while going, passing on time, some things we learn in class, we'll apply it in our present situation, which will be a little different. I told you something now. What is the difference between what we can say education? We discussed it, na? Did we? What is education and what is knowledge?
Education is learning. Knowledge is what we have learned.
Okay. My teacher told me in a different perception, same thing. Incoming is called as education, outgoing is called as knowledge.
Hmm.
Because we listen to 50 minutes class. If someone asks you what happened in this class, tell me something good today, you will tell within 10 minutes. So entire 50 minutes class came out within 10 minutes. So 50 minutes education, 10 minutes knowledge. So you don't lose any point, but you will tell it in a proper way. Sweet, short and sweet. But you don't avoid any point in it. So comprehensively. So whatever you learn, that is swadhyaya, don't neglect in pravachana. Whatever you learn, definitely you should tell it to others, or else the education will be buried in self. Swadhyaya pravachanabhyam na pramaditavyam. You should never swadhyaya and pravachana, both. Next one. Next one. Next. Repeat after me. Deva Pitru Karyabhyam.
Devapitrikaryabhyam.
Again. Bhyam. Karyabhyam.
Yes.
What are the two words? Devakaryam, Pitrakaryam.
Pitrikaryam.
What is Devakaryam?
God.
What is
God be a
Devakaryam?
divine work.
Devakaryam,
Puja. Puja is
Deva
Devakaryam.
Puja. Very good. Pitrakaryam, Pitru Puja.
Deva. Pitru Puja.
Like doing ceremonies every year. As you go to temple doing puja of divine, which are how important they are, doing Pitrukaryam is equally important. After getting education, I'll do only Moksha Puja, that is Deva Puja I'll do. I'll forget about the Pitru Puja is completely wrong. Is someone asking a doubt?
Like this Usman biscuit.
Okay. So you should not neglect the Devakaryam as well as Pitrukaryam also. You should always remember your fathers, mothers, forefathers. If they have passed away, you need to remember them. You need to do the Arghyam, you need to do the Tarpana, you need to do the Pinda Pradhanam, etc. without forgetting. Deva Pitrukaryabhyam na pramaditavyam. Why? He is giving a reason. You know that. What is that? Matrudevo Bhava. Mother is equal to God. Be like that. Consider mother is God. Pitrudevo Bhava. Consider father as God. Acharya Devo Bhava. Even your teacher is also equal to God. Next. Atithi Devo Bhava. Atithi, what is Atithi? Person who comes to our house without knowing Tithi, Vara, Nakshatra on a purpose, on seeking something is called as Atithi. He is also equal to God. He should be God. Next, very important. Repeat after me. Yani,
Yani.
Yani,
Yani.
Anavadyani,
Anavadhyani.
Karmani,
Karmani.
Tani,
Ani.
Sevitavyani.
Sevitavyani.
Whatever the works which are not deniable, they should be treated well. Some things are there. Taking bath is a mandatory for human beings. That is anavadya karma. But generally we'll neglect it sometimes. But it is anavadya karma. You should do it. Yani anavadyani karmani. Whatever the works which are undeniable, tani sevitavyani. You should treat them well with excellence. You should treat them with respect. No itarani. Not the other things which are deniable, we follow. Which are followable, we deny. Don't do that. Follow the things which are undeniable. No itarani, not the others. Like food. We should take a proper food. Like junk food and proper food, we have two things. We know that junk food is not good. We know that proper food is good. But what we do sometimes? We deny this food in the lunch and take the other, consume the other thing. By that what happens? Our health is ruined. That's what they are telling. Yani anavadyani karmani tani sevitavyani no itarani. Next. Repeat after me. Yani
Yani.
asmakam
Asma.
sucharitani.
Sucharitani.
Whatever are real history for us. Sucharitani. Like good biographies. The histories of great people. Tani tvaya upasyani. No itarani.
No itarani.
You should follow the histories, lives of great people, not the other people. What is the difference between Abdul Kalam and Osama bin Laden? Abdul Kalam is Sucharitaha. Got good history. We should follow him. He might be a great person, not a good history. So we should not follow that. We are all following this only. We listen to great people. We just inspire from the lives of great people, not the people who just ruined the society. Why? Rama is great. Why not Ravana? Rama got Sucharitam. Ravana got not Sucharitam. So we are not following him. We are following this. That's what we are doing. Repeat after me. Yani
Yani
Asmakam
Asmakam
Sucharitani
Charitani
Tani Sevitavyani
Tani Sevitavyani.
Tani Tvaya Upasyani
Ani Tvaya Upasyani
No Itarani.
No,
Itarani.
It's a command. You go to good biographies, great scholars' biographies, and just follow them, not others.
Acharya ji,
Yeah.
here the word no itarani,
Hmm.
is it almost same
It
as
is Naha. Naha is with us. Naha Itarani. Hmm.
itarani? Okay.
By us. Asmakam Naha. Asmakam is for us. Hmm. Ye kecha
Ekecha
asmat
Asmat
shreyamsaha
Yamsa
brahmanaha. Who is a Brahmin? He is telling, who is a Brahmin? Whoever asmakam shreyansaha. Whoever take care of welfare of us are considered as Brahmins. Whoever takes care of us, whoever just, what we can say, look at the welfare of us are considered as Brahmanaha. Whoever don't take care of us is not called as a Brahmana. Who is not caring the welfare of others is not a Brahmana. Whoever takes care is a Brahmana. To such people, what we should do? Tesham,
Tesham
to them, Tvaya, by you, very good. Asanena
Asana
prashvasitavyam.
Prashvasatavyam.
If you have any doubts, where we'll go? We'll go to the scholar. If he is just a well-wisher of mine, he's a Brahmana. What we should do? If they come to us, what we should do? We should give a good asana for them. First priority. Good asana. Asane prashvasitavyam. Whenever someone comes to your house, you should give him a good asana. Next, what we do? We give something to them like water, food, etc. You know what you should do? You should give it Shraddhaya Deyam.
Ayadeyam.
You should offer anything with Shraddha, with interest. If we give some fruits, we should not pick it one hand and just give it to him. We should go check a proper fruit, fine fruit, which is looking good. Then with both hands, you should come and give it to him. There is Shraddha in it. Shraddhaya Deyam. That's why in temples or etc., if anyone great, we use both hands. If my son comes, I don't use both hands. I'll give it one hand. Because Shraddha is required there, where is useful. Shraddhaya Deyam. Next one. Ashraddhaya Deyam. What is Ashraddhaya Deyam? Shraddhaya Deyam is you should give with interest. What is Ashraddha?
Don't
Yeah,
neglect.
Shraddha.
With negligence, right? Ashraddha is negligence. Deyam means
To give.
to give. What is the difference between first line and second line? First sentence, second. Shraddhaya Deyam should give with interest. Ashraddhaya Deyam, give with negligence.
No.
Here it is a mixed word. Ashraddhaya Adeyam. What is Adeyam?
Never give.
Shraddhaya Deyam, give with interest. Ashraddhaya Adeyam, you should not give without interest. And you should be always following the same. Interest only. Should never neglect them. Shriya Deyam. What is Shriya? What is Shriya? Which vibhakti here? Ashraddhaya. Shraddhaya, Shraddhaya, Shriya. What is this? Tvaya.
Tritiya.
Tritiya. Very good. Tritiya vibhakti. Okay. You should give with interest. You should give with concentration. Shriya Deyam. What is Shriya? What is Shri?
Plus with money.
Okay.
Dakshina.
Wealth.
Well,
Dakshina.
You should give, no. You should give anything according to your wealth.
Okay.
If you are giving water, I have a golden palace, like I have a big palace. If someone comes to my home, I should not give him water with a clay pot. I should give him with a golden pot. If you have a capacity of eating in silver plates, you should offer water in a silver plate, not dakshina. It is about your wealth. Whatever you are experiencing, you should treat him with the highest level of your wealth to him. That is of Shraddha, treating him as a priority person. Okay, even
Yeah.
dakshina also. If your capacity of giving 1,000, don't give 10. Give 1,000. If your capacity, according to your capacity, Shriya Deyam. If I am living in a small hut, if someone comes to my house, I should not try to offer him with a silver plates or golden glasses. Not required. Clay plate is enough. So according to capacity, treat them. Shriya Deyam. Next immediately, what is that? Hriya Deyam. You know what is Hri? Hri.
Out of shame.
Hri is shame. Hri is Siggu, medium. What we can say? Not shame. Hri is shy.
Lajja.
Lajja, like shy. You should offer with your shyness, because with so decent, na? Shy, sometimes there are two types of shy. You don't have shy. You don't have shyness. Sometimes a lady who is with shy looks beautiful. We used to go to teacher with shyness. Our gurus, sir, namaste, sir. Yes, sir. Swami, Arya, pustakam asti va? Asti Arya, pustakam asti. I'm showing my shyness towards my teacher. It's little beautiful. Okay, if you are offering a water, offer it. Acharya, please take it. Jalam swikaroto Acharya. With a smiling face, I'll be feeling little shy to offer my teacher. That is Hriyadeya.
Vinayam.
Don't feel shy to give water. It's not like that. You should have Vinayam, obedience. Very good. Next one is Bhiyadeyam. What is Bhi?
Out of fear.
Fear. You should give with fear. Why fear here? While giving, in a process of giving water, I may do some mistakes. That fear I should have. Again, it is a respect. I should hold water with both hands. I'll go to him as if somewhere water drops may come out. I should not do that. If I'm giving fruits, the fruits should not fall down. I should be fear of it. I may commit a sin. I should have a fear of it. Bhiyadeyam. Samvidadeyam. You should give with the good knowledge. With what type of knowledge you should offer them? What type of fruits he'll eat? I should know that. What type of water he'll drink? I should know that. If I do this process, in this process, if I give, he'll be happy. I should follow that. I should be always understand the mind of others and follow. That is Samvidadeyam. I know that my teacher will not eat cucumber. I should not prepare a cucumber dal in my home and offer him in his plate. That is Ajnana Danam. Samvida Jnanam, preparing food, whatever he likes, and avoiding things, whatever he don't like, making everything according to his mind concern. I should offer it. Samvidadeyam. That is providing things with knowledge. Adha yedite. Repeat after me. Adha
Atha
yedite.
yadite
Karma vichikitsa.
vichikitsa
Va. Vrutta vichikitsa. Va. Syat. When they come to your house, when you call them, if you have any, what is vichikitsa? Chikitsa,
Treatment like a
treatment, very good. Vichikitsa, I told you what is V.
important.
Negative.
negative, bad.
Something is Vishesha. V is Vishesha, second V is Visrishta. Generally, we'll have a doubt of doing right or wrong, good or bad. Karma vichikitsa. I have a doubts in doing something. Vrutta vichikitsa. I have doubts in just behavior. Like if you have any doubts of doing some things or behavior, any doubts, karma vichikitsa, doubt, argument in karma, vrutta vichikitsa, argument in vritta pravartana, that is behavior. You might have there. What you should do? Te tatra brahmanaha sammarshinaha. There are people to whom you are treating them. Their teachers are sammarshinaha. They are the clarifiers of your doubt. If you have any doubt, what you should do? You should go to your teacher. You should treat them well and ask them, because they are your problem solvers. Nowadays, if you got any confusion, if you have any doubt, you go to the Google Mata. Previously, people used to go to their teachers, because Google will just give information, teachers will give you confirmation.
Clarification.
So teachers are clarifiers. So Brahmanaha there, go to them, they'll do that. What they will tell you? Next one, repeat out. Ayukta. Yuktam, ayuktam. Some people are appointed teachers. Some people are unappointed teachers. Some people are there, like teachers. In school, there are appointed teachers. In tuitions, teachers are not appointed, but they are scholars. Okay?
Volunteer.
There are few people, you go to them, they will clarify you right or wrong. If you have doubt, don't come to me directly. There are many people around, you can go to them also. That's what teacher is telling. If there is any doubt, don't leave the topic. Go to the people. Next, aluksha dharma kamasyuhu. They never neglect their dharma. They are sinless. Those people are there. Go to them. What you should do? Tadha te tatra varteran. You should go to the people who behave like that, who are non-sinners, whoever do acharam, whoever follow the rightness, go to them. Tadha te tatra vartetha. If they do things, they'll follow the things. So you should go to those people only. Yadha abhyakhyateshu. Yadha abhyakhyateshu. Abhi akhyatam. Whatever is told, they follow. Whatever is told, they follow. So they got the knowledge. They will tell you right or wrong. Ye tatra brahmanaha sammarshinaha. Those brahmanas, whoever are there, are sammarshinaha, your clarifiers of doubt. They clarify your doubts. Yukta ayukta. Again, some people might have been appointed to clarify your doubts. Some people may not. Aluksha dharma kamasyuhu. Again, they are unsinners, they are non-sinners, and they are never neglecting people towards dharma. Yadha te teshu varteran. Again repeated. Tadha teshu vartetha. However they behave, you should be following them. My teacher used to call me at night 9 p.m. I want him to just call me a little early because I can save my night for sleep. He always called me at 9 p.m. I used to go to him at 8:30. He will be free from the other things at 9:30 p.m. He used to start the class at 9:45. When my age is of 25, 27. I goes to my teacher. Up to 2:30 my class used to go on. Then he tells, I think I'm getting sleep, Raghuram, you go away now. Then I used to go from X place to my home. It should be almost 3 o'clock. I used to sleep at 3. Again, morning at 6:30 I should get up, make myself puja part ready, and I should go to my college to teach at 8:30. It was very typical time for 1 and 2 years for me. But the 2 years I got tremendous knowledge from my teacher. Every day, I used to feel like I'm feeling so suffered, but when I understand his position, he used to do all the things of his, and then at 9:30 to 2:30, he's spending time for me. Is it not trouble for him? Yadha te tatra vartetha. As they behave, tadha te teshu. You should behave accordingly. Whenever they give you time, you go to them. Whenever they want to tell you something, listen to it. Don't disturb them, break their nature and just ask the doubts. No, you should wait for the time of them. You should wait for the attitude. You should wait for the time when they just come towards you. Then you should ask the question. Yadha te teshu varteran, tadha te yadha teshu vartetha. As they follow the system, you should follow them. Beautiful question, because you should not be arrogant that I know something, Swami. Why are you not concentrating on me? Then I actually complete my MA and MPhil when I went to him. I should not be egoistic. I studied all these things. My teacher don't have any MA. He don't have not even MA. But even though I am a master of literature and what do you say, MA in literature and MPhil, when I went to him, how I should be? I studied more than him, na? No. Knowledge is more important. So he's so talented, so knowledgeable. He taught me how to read books. Now I'm telling all this because of only of him. That is not my knowledge. My teacher is talking to you. My teacher's blessings will be always with you, not mine. So whenever the teacher is accessible, you should follow them in time with them. Whenever they want to tell you, then hold it. Don't disturb them in their nature. Okay, next. Esha adeshaha. Esha is this. You know, no? Esha is this. Adeshaha. What is adesham?
Or
Command. I am commanding you this. Till now, whatever I told you is a command. You should follow. Esha adeshaha. Next one. Esha upadesha. Difference between adesha and upadesha?
Adesha is advice.
What is adesha?
Adesha is instruction.
No. Adesham is a command. Upadesham is commanding, making you to sit in a lab and telling something. Father always commands. How? He makes his son in a lab and tells that, beta, this is the thing. You should not do that. Command only, but tells him in a lovable manner. This is upadesha. As a teacher, we give it. Every teacher does upadesha. Mantropadesham, jnanopadesham, shastropadesham. Teachers tells a student with great love, command with love. Esha upadesha. Next, Esha Vedopanishad. What is Upanishad? Making a person to sit close and telling something is Upanishad. This is Vedopanishad. After learning all the Vedas, this is the essence. Whatever till now I told you is the essence of Veda. This is Adesha. This is Upadesha. This is Vedasya Upanishad. This is the summary of Veda. Etad Anushasanam. You should follow. This is to be followed. You know why? My great teacher followed that. He told to his student, he followed that. That great teacher told to my teacher, he followed that. He commanded me, Anushasanam. I followed that. Now I am commanding you. You should follow. Etad Anushasanam evam upasitavyam. You should treat others in this way. Evam chaitadupasyam. You should make others also to follow the same way. That's it. This is the
Very,
beautiful thing.
very knowledgeable.
Understand it. All the ethics, everything is there in it. Live in a proper way, respecting others, treating them in a proper way. You might have some doubts. You should not follow you should always follow the Swadharma. Should always follow Swadhyaya and make others to make it follow. You might have doubts. Go to the Brahmanas, treat them well. Everybody is not easily accessible. Don't show ego. Wait for some time. Understand them. Treat them in a proper way as if they themselves tell you all the secrets. Then have lot of happiness and bliss. This is Adesha. We all followed Nana. Even you should follow. Nice. Done from my
This
side.
is I think this is like Vedopanishad. This is like Vedopanishad.
This is summary of Veda.
Vedas, right.
I think, did I go bouncers? Yeah, easy understanding.
No, this is like a pledge you give to the student at the time of convocation.
Yeah.
Uh.
Ashmareddy ji, understood, Swami?
Yeah.
A little, okay. At least you understood the words and the vibhaktis, na?
Yes.
I'm happy. Why I'm interested to tell this, because previously every day we are reading some shlokas and just understanding it. This is actually Upanishad sentences. Your grammatical concept like Shabda, Dhatu, Vachana, Vibhakti, etc. How we are reading, whatever we are reading, is it according to Vedic system? Now you can able to understand. You'll be able to understand now. Did you find any Sanskrit language in this?
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. If you understand that, we learn Sanskritam.
But
Anything?
why is it this last one that is repeated? Why is it repeated like?
It is repeated
Ekatra
twice because that is
Brahmana.
a concept of understanding more again and again. Maybe there are two perceptions. We need to understand that. I'll check it in there. Maybe two perceptions, because without any reason they don't repeat it. Not even word is repeated. There is something perception, new perception they might have taught. You should understand. Nice. Narayan Pai ji?
Yeah.
Anything to tell about today?
Well, it is very useful. We learned a lot. Only thing is, and this today this from Upanishad. I wish we had gone little more slowly, understanding it better.
Because I personally feel like time is also important. Sometimes if I cross my time limit, you people may be feeling bored. That pinch is there in my mind. So sometimes, okay, slowly, we got introduced. Now next time, in next future classes, we'll bring the topic again, and we'll think in a like long way.
Yeah, I know it's getting late, but there was one sentence, one phrase like Shraddhaya, Ashraddhaya. So they both were mentioned the same way. Why would one we say take the and put it to the, if we go to that line, Acharyaji, then we can take
actually the beautiful here, na Shraddhaya Deyam, Ashraddhaya Deyam.
Right,
actually,
Shraddhaya Deyam.
It is actually, that's what, na printing mistake. There is a gap between two words here.
Right.
There is no gap between here.
Okay.
Or there is avagra here. You know avagra? This is avagra. I told you, na?
Right.
Yes.
This is not printed here.
But if avagra is printed, then it's okay then?
Yeah, adeyam, na?
Adeyam.
Okay.
It becomes a.
Okay.
A is missing here. That's why gap.
There are a lot of print mistakes in this. Yeah.
If it is a gap, this is one space gap here. How many space gaps here?
Two spaces looks like.
Two here. So there is something like avagra is missing. It's an old print, na? Avagra is missing.
There are quite a few typos.
We are already handicapped with language, and these kinds of handicaps makes it harder to follow this speech.
It's okay, Swami, sometimes, because in studying our own scripture, old scriptures, there are many things we need to, like what we can say, we need to overcome. Then only we'll be understanding the scriptures, or else it's not that easy. See, within 25 classes, you are able to understand Upanishad. That's the greatest thing.
This is from Taittiriya Upanishad.
Yeah, Taittiriya Upanishad.
Taittiriya.
So this is the ending of Sikshavali. Immediately after this,
I want to say something. I want to say something here about the Upanishad.
yeah, immediately after this is
There is a
Brahmanandavalli. Yeah, Swami, repeat
There is
up.
a class. There is a class I'm attending. This is on Thursdays, given by one Mr. Swaminathan, who is from the Arsha Vidya Nilayam, and it's online. And every alternate Thursday, he talks about Upanishad, and in this, he is covering Taittiriya Upanishad this week. And if there are people in this class interested in it, they can probably access that. And I will be sending the link in
Okay.
case they're interested.
Okay. So today I wanted to introduce you to Upanishad. So just I started something. We can go because Upanishad is not that easily taught because I'm not that qualified too. Just I want to introduce you to the language of Upanishad. At least next time when you see it, it will be little okay. You will not be scared looking at it. Okay, you'll be having a little faith. Okay, I can go into. You have a hope to just read Upanishads also.
Yeah.
I would just want to introduce you.
Dhanyavada. Yeah.
Dhanyavada, Swami. Vande Mataram. Next class we'll come out with some other new things. And meanwhile, if you want anything, you can just ping me in WhatsApp group. I'll prepare that concept and just tell you next class also. If you come across something which is important, you feel, just ping me up. We'll just do. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Vishwapati Narayanpaji.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Vasudha Mata. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Santosh Garu. Sesh Garu. Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.